LinkedIn Post Ideas, 44 Prompts for Awesome LinkedIn Content. A lot of business owners delegate LinkedIn to others. But this is a big mistake. It's easy to spot when others are posting on LinkedIn on your behalf. And lackluster social media tends to get ignored. Business owners who take social seriously can drive massive awareness for their company and build a direct relationship with their target audience. Coming up with creative and original LinkedIn post ideas is hard. As any content marketer worth their salt will tell you, consistency is important. It's no good posting something every now and again when you feel inspired. If you want to reach your target audience and build relationships, you need to keep popping up with fresh and interesting things to say. We've pulled together a list of 44 LinkedIn post ideas that will fill your social media calendar and give you unique and original ideas. What are the best LinkedIn post ideas? One of the mistakes that people sometimes make is to only use LinkedIn posts to announce company news, talk about your achievements, or post links to your website. They also think that a piece of content will need to be a certain length to get likes and comments. But the best performing tends to be short-form content, 25 to 200 words, relatable to your readers, focused on helping other LinkedIn users and encouraging discussion, pose interesting questions or challenge assumptions, use personal stories to illustrate ideas or opinions, not feel like marketing, a link to your latest landing page, blog post or white paper. Everyone's personal brand is different, and you need to post what you feel comfortable with. But these ideas for topics should give you plenty of food for thought. Here we go. Your story. What was your first job and what did it teach you about what you do today? What was the most exciting moment in your career and why? Think of a moment in your career when you took a big risk that paid off. What were the stakes? What did you do and how do you feel about it now? What are your core values and why are they important to you? What are the 3 most important moments in your career? What aspect of your work are you working on improving or developing at the moment and why? What's the most nerve-wracking experience in your professional life and how do you feel about it now? When did you know that you had found the right career? What are the 10 biggest things you've learned over the last 10 years of your career? What's the most successful piece of work you've done recently? Share a behind-the-scenes account of what you did, why it worked, and what you learned. What was your biggest challenge of the last year? Your network. Think of a colleague who you are working with right now who you value and respect. Who are they and why did you pick them? And don't forget to mention them so they see it. Who's the best boss you have ever worked with, why were they so good and what did they teach you? Who are some of the people that make your working life brighter and better? Publicly mention them and say thanks. Do you have any funny office or team rituals that you can share? What's the most interesting conversation you've had with a colleague, customer, or someone else recently? Mention the other person if possible. What's a small thing you do every now and again to raise the spirits of your team? If you could give your younger self one piece of career advice, what would it be? What are the traits you most value in colleagues? What's a genuine problem or issue you have right now? Post and ask if anyone can help. Your opinions. What's the most interesting question a client has asked you this month and how did you answer? Was there a moment in or outside of work that made you smile this week? When was the last time you were bowled over by a company's marketing, sales process? What's the number one thing your clients are struggling with right now and what's your advice for them? What's a common misconception about your industry or a particular part of the service you deliver? Who do you look up to most in your field and why? This can be someone you know or not. What book would you recommend to everyone in your industry and why? What is a thing you think people should start doing that they're not? What is a thing you think people should stop doing that they're currently doing? What is a major change in customer behavior that you've noticed in the last year? What's a key trend or shift that you think everyone needs to be aware of? What's a common challenge your customers have? Share a simple step-by-step plan for overcoming it. What stat have you seen recently that blew your mind? Have you read a blog post that you can quickly summarize? How do you think your industry will have changed in 5 years' time? What is a controversial opinion you hold about your industry? Ask your followers to share their thoughts. What is the biggest news story in your industry right now and what's your take on it? What is a common problem or contradiction in your industry that you think needs to be talked about? Something a bit different. Have you taken a fun or interesting picture of your team recently? Share it and mention the people in it. Do you have an unlikely source of inspiration or motivation? What is the thing you most enjoy about your work and why? Have you had a funny experience on Zoom or Teams recently? What are your daily working rituals and how do they help you? What's a productivity hack that works wonders for you? What's a simple piece of advice that you think almost anyone would benefit from hearing? Text posts get more likes and comments than links. Try to finish your post by asking a question to generate conversation with users. Pick a topic related to your core service that you know well and keep coming back to it. Consistency is important. Avoid long sentences and paragraphs. This helps readers skim your posts. Use line breaks to improve readability. Use emojis if you feel comfortable with them. Best of luck. See you on LinkedIn.